Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
The Millennium Cricket League. Today, Capital Edge Cricket Club and Junior Black Caps locked horns in a Division B clash of fortitude. The battle lines were drawn, the stage set for a memorable tussle.
Indeed, Ravish, the air was thick with anticipation as these two teams embarked on a cricketing quest. Swords sharpened in the form of bats and balls, with both sides eager to etch their mark in league folklore.
A tip of the hat to our patrons who have rolled out the red carpet for today's cricketing drama.
Kudos to DivGen Pharmaceuticals, pioneering innovation with the precision of a perfect Yorker. Faith Home Healthcare, like a well-timed shot, our compassionate care hits the sweet spot.
Capital Edge, having won the toss, wielded their bats with intent. Amidst tumbling wickets, a partnership blossomed like a resilient flower through concrete, setting up a decent total. The stage was then set for Junior Black Caps to respond.
We witnessed a thrilling tale of cricket unfold. Edge's innings were buoyed by a centurion partnership, but the Caps bowlers clawed back, led by Malay Patel's 4-wicket spell. The plot thickened as the stage was set for the chase.
It was a shaky start for Edge, but the spotlight shone on Jignesh Parekh, who anchored while chaos unfurled around him.
Malay's lethal spell was a strategy masterclass, applying a choke hold when Edge was cruising, bringing the Black Caps back into the hunt.
The Black Caps' chase was a tapestry of despair, stitched together by Edge bowlers, led by Ankit Patel, who spun a web of deceit.
The Edge bowlers sketched a narrative of dominance. Ankit and Pinkish Patel's trios of wickets were the quills that penned the Black Caps' downfall.
Jignesh Parekh emerged as the protagonist with a sterling knock and crucial scalp, while Ankit Patel's spin wizardry turned the tide for Edge.
These champions stood tall, scripting Edge's victory. Parekh's all-round genius and Malay's economical spell were chapters of brilliance in today's cricket chronicle.
Edge emerged victors by 53 runs, with strategy and skill proving mightier than the sword in today's clash.
A decisive win for Edge with contributions from the entire battalion proving too robust for Black Caps, redefining team synergy and focus. The Black Caps found themselves edged out in a contest where standing tall was the only option. The saga witnessed today will linger as a lesson in resilience.
As the dust settles, Edge stands tall, reaffirming their credo, united we stand, divided we falter. A victory to savor as they march on in the league.